Hello, this is Taj Tires. I've got a Citroen C4 Cactus here on a 2015 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the tire pressure warning light. But before I do that, I'm going to show you where to check the tire pressures and everything and sizes. That's the tire sizes on there at the moment. So you've got front and rear 32, 2.3, 2.3 all round. If you've got a load, then 2.3 and 2.6. If you've got a spare wheel, which is a 15-inch, 185 65 15, you put 3 bar, and then if it's a 125, which is a space saver, then 4.2. Now 2.3 bar would be about 33 psi front and rear, and 2.6 is about 36 37, and 3 bar is about 43, and 4.2 is over 50. Now to reset it, I'm just going to show you how to do it. Quite a simple one on this. Just before I show you which one it is, just going to zoom in a little bit. That's a bit too much. Right, on the right hand side you'll see the tire pressure warning light, which is right at the bottom right there. That's what we want to reset, and I'll just show you how it's done. So all I now do is start the car up, zoom out a little, and then that's the main menu display right there. So you've got the car button right here, which you want to press. You've got the car button there, and then you press this button right here. Then you've got a tire inflation, which is, as you can see, under inflation right there. So if I click on the under inflation and then I do yes once the tire pressures have all been checked, now the tire pressure is registered. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do have a playlist for tire pressures and Citroens, so do check it out. Thank you. Goodbye.